There you go, guys, our blueberry cheesecake parfait. Thank you for watching. Madali lang. There you go, guys, our easy blueberry cheesecake parfait. Ate, inanagin natin yung mga... Last na lang ka, last na lang ka. Wala man.
Sweet house, oh sweet house, sweet house. Sweet house, oh sweet house, sweet house.
Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch and for today, I will be sharing my easy blueberry cheesecake parfait. Okay, so this is no bake and very easy to make. So all you need is cream cheese, GLA, blueberry filling and topping. Tapos, if you have fresh blueberries, pwede yan. And then, lemon, 1 piece, whipping cream, sugar, and granola. For the granola, you can make your own. So, this is just oats, at tapos raisins, almonds, and some honey. You just mix it, tapos painit, pa-simmer mo konti. So that's your granola. Let's start. First, let's mix the cream cheese and your sugar. And then once creamy, let's add the whipping cream. While mixing, let's get the juice and the zest out sa 1 lemon. Okay? Okay? Then, you can add the lemon juice and lemon zest sa cream cheese. Yan. Once creamy na, let's add the whipping cream. Okay? It's okay already. Smooth na. And creamy. Let's prepare the glass. Nalalagyan natin ng parfait. So I have here 3 to 4 glasses. Pwede. Don't forget, since it's no bake, don't forget to use gloves. First layer, let's put the granola. After that, let's put the second layer. Okay. Tapos next, let's open the GLA blueberry. And then, again. If you have fresh blueberries or frozen, pwede nyo yung lagay. And lastly, you put optional to. If meron kayo, go ahead. You put milk leaves on top. There you go, guys, our easy blueberry cheesecake parfait recipe. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!